Jay Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmiya Green School, Standard 6, Subject Math. So before starting our fourth example, we will just take a revise what we have studied till now. So most important topics, or we can say definition, I will repeat, and then we will start our fourth example. Okay, so first is we compare the two quantities in terms of how many times, right? This comparison is known as ratio and we denoted it by double dots. Okay, next, the two quantities can be compared only if they are of the same unit. Next thing, we can get equivalent ratios by multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator by same number. Fine. So these are the important point we have to remember while solving the examples on ratio. So let's start the fourth example. Okay. Distance traveled by Hamid and Akhtar in an hour are 9 km and 12 km. Find the ratio of speed of Hamid to the speed of Akhtar. So ratio is equal to distance traveled by Hamid upon distance traveled by Akhtar. So distance traveled by Hamid is 9 and distance traveled by Akhtar is 12. So it is 9 upon 12. So 9 and 12 both are in the table of 3. So we get here 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. That is 3 upon 4. Now next. Fifth example, fill in the blanks. So here one ratio is given and we have to find the equivalent ratio by multiplying or dividing same number to numerator and denominator. So which is the ratio given here? 15 upon 18. Okay. So see the first one, denominator is 18 and here denominator is 6. So how will get 6 here? By dividing 3. So let's divide numerator and denominator by 3. So we get here 3 5s are 15 and 3 6s are 18. Now next, here we get denominator 10. So see here it is 5 upon 6 na. So if we multiply 5 by 2 we get 10. So let's multiply denominator by 2 we get 12. So it should be 10 upon 12. Now third one, 5 upon 6. So we get here denominator 30. So if we multiply 6 by 5 we get 30. So let's multiply 5 by 5 we get 25. So these are the numbers we get in the equivalent ratio. Get it? So sixth example is the homework. So let's first of all see what is the sixth example. I orally explain you. Okay. Find the ratio of, okay fine, there are four small examples, sub questions are there, but it is so easy. See 81 upon 108. So find out the number which can divisible numerator and denominator. So ratio will be 81 upon 108, right na? So I think 3 will divide numerator and denominator. So divide by 3 and get the answer. If any other number can divide numerator and denominator, so you have to divide and simplify the ratio. Get it? Now next, 98 to 63. So it is so easy examples. So 98 and 63 are should be divisible by 7. So divide 98 and 63 by 7. 33 kilometer and 121 kilometer. So both are the multiples of 11. So you can divide 33 and 121 by 11. So 11 3 are 33 and 11 into 11 we get 121. Okay. Next, 30 minutes to 45 minutes. So by reading example you can say 30 and 45 both are in the table of 15. So you can divide 30 upon 45 is equal to 30 divided by 15. 45 divided by 15 we get 2 upon 3. Get it? Okay, so it is very easy example. Solve it properly. Okay, so let's start the seventh one. Find the ratio of the following: 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. So before starting this video, I ask you that when we have taken ratio, the both units should be equal. So it is in minutes and this is in the hours. So first of all, you have to convert into same ratio. It is in minutes now, so we have to convert these hours into minutes. So see here 1.5 means 1 hour and half hour. So 1 hour's minutes are 60 and half hour is equal to 30. So 60 plus 30 we get 90 minutes. Okay. Now see here 30 as to 90, that means 30 upon 90, that is 3 upon 9. Then we get if 3 and 9 are divided, so 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, that is 1 as to 3. Next. (40 centimeter to 1.5 centimeter). Now see here we have to convert this okay, this both units are same, but it is in decimal, so that's why we have to multiply both the numbers by 10. So 40 multiplied by 10 we get 400, 1.5 multiplied by 10 we get 15. Okay, now we can divide 400 by 15. So sorry, not 15, by 5. 5 3s are 15 and here 5 8s are 40 and 0, that is 80 upon 3. Get it? So ratio will be 80 as to 3. Now next example, 50 paisa to 1 rupees. So paisa is as it is, 1 rupee we have to convert it into paisa, that is 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So 55 upon 100. So both should be divisible by 5. So 11 1 5 1 5, 5 1 5, and here 100 divided by 5 we get 20, that is 11 upon 20. Okay. So D example I have given as a homework. So let's see what is it. If I have given homework, you don't write as a homework. You have to solve it. Okay. Let's see the 7th D. Na? Okay. Yeah, 7th day is 500 ml and 2 liter. So first of all you have to convert it into ml. So 2 liter is equal to how many milliliter? 2000. So take ratio 500 upon 2000. Okay. It is so easy, and divide by the numbers. Okay. So let's see the 8th example. In a year, Seema earns 1,50,000 and saves 50,000 rupees. Okay. Find the ratio of money that Seema earns to the money she saves. Now first of all, okay fine, first of all I will read the example. Money that she saves to the money she spent. Now see, the amount of money Seema earn, कितना कमाती है वो? 1,50,000. Then amount of money Seema saves, 50,000. Okay, now see here ratio. The amount Seema earn 1,50,000. The amount Seema save 50,000. 0 0 will be cancelled. If we divide 15 and 5 by 5, we get 3 upon 1. That is 3 as to 1. Okay. Next. B. Money she saves upon money she spent. Now see here, money Seema spent is equal to 1,050 lakh minus 50,000. Okay, because she earned this one and she saved this one. So जितना कमाते हैं उसमें से सेविंग अगर माइनस किए तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? The amount she spent, that is 1 lakh rupees. Now we have to take the ratio. Okay, so 50,000 upon 1 lakh. So 0 0 will be cancelled. It becomes 5 upon 10. So we will divide 5 upon 10 by 5. So 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. That is 1 as to 2. Okay. So 9th example, once again it is a homework. So let's see. There are 102 teachers in a school of 3,300 students. Find the ratio of the number of teachers to the number of students. It is very easy. Number of teachers 102. Number of students 3,300. तो take the ratio. ऊपर क्या लिखेंगे? 102. नीचे क्या आएगा? 3,300. So I think only 2 will नहीं